Hey guys, it's Alexis
and Jada,
and today we have a cute, simple EOS DIY, and
as an alternative, you can either use a Almay, a CoverGirl, a Maybelline, any kind of eyeshadow palettes if you don't have the EOS, and it turns out really cool. And so yeah, so that's an alternate. And also, our faces, and we're doing a little bit more of a different hairstyle and look because we want you guys to tell us if you guys want a morning routine or a everyday, just anything, everyday makeup. So let's get to the video. For this project, you would need an EOS container, Vaseline or
petroleum jelly,
a glass container to stir, a knife, and 2 crayons. We're using Shocking Pink by Crayola. So the first step is to take your EOS container, open it, take your knife, and pop the little piece right here off. It might take a minute. Now you get all of the leftover lip balm and just clean that out and put it off to the side. You can reuse it, put it in a plastic baggie, or you can use that leftover in the project that we were doing today. Now you completely clean it out. After this piece is finished, just go ahead and clean out the bottom. And as well, just set these aside. Take your crayons, and this one got a little bit wet. That's fine because we're going to take off the wrapper. So you pick up the crayon, and wherever you see this little crease where the glue is met, you just cut right there just to get off the wrapper. Super easy way. And again, guys, these are the Shocking Pink, so they might not be as radiant as the regular pink that you get in the 24 packs. But after the wrapper is off of both crayons, you then cut them in small pieces. Now that you have all the pieces of both crayons, you then put all the pieces into the bowl or cup or whatever you're using. Now you take the leftover lip balm, if you had some from this EOS, go ahead and put it on, just for the smell. This is the peppermint kind, so just gives it that really nice smell. Then you take some Vaseline and put it into the cup as well. So now we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So now you take the cup out. It might be a little bit hot. And then we're using this stick to stir it all together.
You've got a real shot here. You've got all the tools, but at some point it's not about how fast you can get the first shot, quick you turn it on the plane. Maybe the scouts feel I know your head is screwed on right. It is, Coach. It's just when they ask for my opinion, and I give it to them. So don't screw this up, Art. The beer leagues are filled with guys with talent and bad attitudes.
So now you put it in the microwave for 1 more minute. Now, take it out of the microwave again. It'll be super hot this time, so you might want to grab a towel or something like that. And then it should be pretty well melted. That's a really, really pretty color, guys. I had to put it in for another 30 seconds to make sure it was fully, completely melted. And it is now super melted and so pretty, guys. We lost this clip, but we took the divider, set it into the top piece, poured the mixture in, and then we're going to let it freeze for 1 hour. Okay, so now that it is freezed for 1 hour and it's in the top, we're just going to apply pressure and wait till it pops. You should hear a really loud pop. And then what you do is you will unscrew it and hope that the shape is formed. If you don't have an empty EOS container, you can also use a Maybelline, CoverGirl, any brand empty eyeshadow palette. So for this one, we just took a CoverGirl eyeshadow and poured in the extra, and then we're going to put this in the freezer for 5 minutes. So this is how the CoverGirl one turned out. We actually did the same process, but we did it with a blue crayon, and some of the pink ran into the blue, so we just took the little stick and just mixed it, and we just put it in the freezer and let it dry, and this is what it turned out. We also did a Maybelline one. It was like this, and we did the same process, but the pink did not run into the blue, so this is what it looks like, really perfected and nice and neat.